Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Klaviyo email templates for UI consistency, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Klaviyo email templates for UI consistency, begin by logging into your Klaviyo account. Once logged in, navigate to the email templates section on the left sidebar. In the email templates section, you will see a list of existing templates. Identify the template you want to download by browsing through the list or using the search function. Click on the chosen template to open it for editing. In the template editor, look for the Actions drop-down menu, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on that Actions menu to reveal a list of options. Select the option labeled Export as HTML from the drop-down. A prompt will appear, asking where you'd like to save the file. Choose your desired save location on your computer. After selecting the location, click Save to download the template. Once the download is complete, navigate to the folder where you saved the file. Open the downloaded HTML file using your preferred code editor or text editor. Before using the downloaded template, ensure it aligns with your brand's UI guidelines. You may need to adjust styles, colors, or layouts to maintain UI consistency. After making any necessary modifications, save your changes in the code editor. Your Klaviyo email template is now ready for use, ensuring an effective and consistent user interface. You can upload the updated template back to Klaviyo by going to the Email Templates section and choosing to create a new template. Select Code Your Own and then click on Import Code. Paste the modified HTML code from your editor into the provided space. Finally, click Preview to check your changes and create template to finalize the process. Your tailored email template is now set up in Klaviyo, ready to enhance your email marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.